Hello from Total Television. I'm Brian Dolby reporting live from Lisbon, and I'm here with Russ Sharer, who is the VP of Marketing for Occam Networks. Russ, you arrived in EMEA last October really at ITU World Telecom. Tell us how things have been going.
Very well. We have done and met with a lot of excitement about resellers joining the Occam family and being able to provide our products as part of solutions for fiber-to-the-home networks. And we've also been able to already deploy some networks and help some of the European communities. We have, for example, a network in Scarborough as a regional development park where they're actually being able to create new business buildings and opportunities and hopefully grow jobs for that region.
I see, and it's won an award, I think. I think actually won a European Commission award, that network, which is fantastic.
Absolutely, yes. It was great to be able to come in and not just help our business, but to be able to help the community as well.
Amazing, amazing.
It's really about the value prop of this show, the idea that fiber optic networks can help build economies and communities.
Now, you're not exactly new kids on the block, but not as well known in Europe, but very well known in the US. Tell us a little bit about the heritage of Occam Networks.
So Occam is a 10-year-old company. We've been involved in the network infrastructure business in the US really for about 9 years. We've been shipping products. Over 350 customers, turnover over 60 million euros a year. And as we grew our business and got kind of solid, we wanted to be able to extend the value propositions and the products that we had into Europe. And so that's why we announced in October and now in about a dozen resellers in about a dozen countries.
And how do you see the contrast between the two markets?
Both markets are evolving. You know, the session yesterday on regulation I thought was really interesting because we see the same thing. Regulators want to promote investment and at the same time be able to encourage competition. I would say in the EU you're a little further ahead in terms of the promoting competition with open access. That's something we're just starting to struggle with in the States, to understand the ramifications of that. Of course, the biggest thing is right now, in our core market, the U.S. government is getting ready to spend over $7 billion in broadband, both for infrastructure and for creating demand and greater usage. And I know that in some countries people are spending money, but I don't think the EU overall has a program quite that large yet.
Now, coming back to Lisbon, which I think has been a very successful showing, I know it's your first time here.
Right.
What have you got new? What are you showing to the market for the first time here?
So we've got a couple of new interface blades, as we call them. One with VDSL2, and the primary one we're showing is our high-density point-to-point Ethernet blade. We're also previewing a couple of new ONTs at the stand. To be able to support for GPON networks our first POTS interfaces and RF interfaces in country.
Well, you've been very busy every time that I've been past your booth, so we won't keep you any longer and let you get back there, and every success with the expansion program.
All right, thank you.